I guess I don't know if anyone's actually gonna watch this or not, but it'd be pretty dope if someone does. Bro, that was a fail. I know, right? Yo, I'm trying to find fucking this place. I had a shulker box with all my shit as I went out traveling, and I forgot where it was. So all my shit's gone. Now I gotta get it back, but I don't want to use these stones. I'll use cobblestone, I guess. I have no fucking idea where it is. I think, okay, so the village is that way, so it's this way. Oh, so, okay, I don't remember what update. I think it was 1.11. You can press, your shield spot? You can put your torches in your shield. You can also put, like, elytras and stuff in it. Like, I could do this, so I could heal my elytra. Okay, wait, what, Nightwalker? Drop an item in blast death. Bro, I just don't know where I died. That's the problem. Like, I have so much shit, but I don't know where I died. Well, I didn't die, actually. I just left. Oh, okay, I remember this. Oh, is the stream quality good or no? I haven't looked yet. Is there any way to get back to where you were last at? Oh, I wonder if I can see my death coordinates. Hang on. MC. Okay, I'm gonna try this. Oh, oops. Fuck. Okay, so theoretically, I should be next to a cave. Bro, I should really get like a hack client for something like this, but I'm really too lazy to do it. Aha! Now is this my cave though?
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Who dis?
Dynamic.
Dynamic. Hello?
Yes.
Everyone can hear you. Say hi.
Who's everyone?
I don't know, whoever's in the live stream. Sinful, no, I don't. I have a shitty PC.
You're live?
Yeah, on YouTube. I'm just playing Minecraft.
Oh.
I'm trying to find where my old loot is.
I'm just looking through finding a bunch of BL4 good offsets that could be used for a tool. And I was outside working on my car, and all the speakers in my fucking car blew the fuck up.
Nice cock.
Bro, you showed me one last night. What do you mean? Oh, that's what you mean.
Alright, I'm gonna check this fucking server thing and see if there's another spot.
Can you pin enemies in BL4?
No.
You can't?
No, I think it's just BO3.
Okay, well I found pin player
Or
in
Black Ops
BL4.
Cold War, sorry. Ting?
Pin player. Yeah, pin a player. Get gadget enemy pin sound player.
Yeah, I've never heard of that, but that's pretty dope.
Fucking A. Oh, he just leaves.
God damn it.
Oh, jump height. There's jump height. That's up there. Could be really useful. That's jump height. Alright, here's X-Graph. Weapon diff. No, what the fuck? That's not what I wanted. Oh my god. Oh my god, no.
Bro, I'm missing like hella iron and shit, cause it's all there.
Okay, so type of this jump height, which would be... where the fuck?
Where the hell is
Light
it?
mode.
Light mode? I don't know how to turn Ida into dark mode.
Nice cock, Leaf.
I just want to know where my fucking shit is. I genuinely don't know where I died.
Shadow play is so important sometimes.
Oh,
If you die,
set
you just hit
target.
F3 and then
So,
go to shadow play.
invalid enter set and set target, so the G entity should be around here somewhere.
Do either of you have Minecraft?
Oh my god, I'm just sorry. I can't even do this right now. I'm just pissed. I'm very fucking pissed.
Oh, I don't know what I hear, but
I'm gonna have to take a loan out to fix my fucking car.
I wouldn't say take a loan out to fix speakers. That's not really a big thing. If it was something like,
It was an expensive setup in my car, dude.
yeah, I don't know if I'd still make. I still don't know if I'd make that a priority though. Like, I don't know if it's worth going in debt over that. Maybe something like, you know, if like your engine blew, I could see a reason, but you don't want
No,
to.
I had all of a sudden my 2 subs went,
If
and
you
then
take out
after
one
my
of
2
the
subs
speakers,
fucking,
you don't
after
need
my
speakers.
2 subs fucking went, the whole speaker system of my car just started going scratchy, 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 and then started cutting in and out. I'm like, you gotta be kidding me, what the fuck just happened?
Yeah, but I'm not saying this as a bad thing. Like, obviously do what you want, but just keep in mind, like, if you have to take a loan out for something, you're probably not ready for it. And I don't know if that's like I'm only saying this because I've done a lot of stupid shit and I've wasted a lot of money. So just
I feel you there, Leaf. I
Just make sure.
It's alright, I already have a $15,000 loan out on a car that I put speakers in.
There's a phrase. Never finance.
Yeah, I've
Yeah.
learned my freaking lesson.
The reason that exists is because if you end up in a situation where you gotta pay back bills and you lose your job or whatever, you're fucked.
ZM script terminal error.
Yeah, freaking.
Honestly, dude, sounds ghetto. Just buy a Bluetooth speaker, like one of those like fucking.
I am not
things
doing
that look
that.
like the Arizona Toucan. Put it in your center console or whatever.
I am
Better
not
than
doing
nothing.
that. I'm going to the bank at 2:30. I'm gonna be like, I need a $1,000 loan to fix
Please
my car
don't, dude.
on this car.
For speakers, my guy.
Then it's worth it. Just add it to my car loan. Whatever.
What bank allows you to do that? What the fuck?
A lot of banks.
A lot of banks. If it deals with the vehicle, so you have a loan on a vehicle. If it has to deal with the vehicle, they'll just add it towards your loan. If you buy a house and it has to do something with their house, they'll add it towards their loan on their house.
But that's only if you can get the money for that. Because then, yeah. But because it's kind of
Okay,
like,
gotcha.
yeah, because you'd have to be able to still get that money. So.
I've taken a loan out before, but it wasn't really. It was literally just a loan and wasn't for anything specific. It was for $3,000, and it was just because I wanted to do something cool for my anniversary.
Oh shit, yeah, the most I took out was 57,000.
29.
57,000 or 5,700.
57,000. I got a truck, and then when me and my girlfriend broke up, it was like 6 months ago. She decided to take the truck, and she signed all the papers, so now she has the loan. So I don't give a fuck. It doesn't fucking bother me. I don't give a fuck.
You paid $57,000 for a truck. Did you buy a 2022 like Tesla truck or some shit? Like, what the fuck did you buy?
Duramax.
No, well, you have to think about it. Like, I'm only, 23, so trying to get a loan for a truck, even anywhere, you're gonna have high interest rate. It doesn't
Dude,
matter.
I'm fucking 20 and I got a fucking loan on a car.
Well, yeah, but a car and a truck is different because trucks are more wanted than a car. So,
It took me
the
like
interest
a
goes
few
up.
months to pay out the $3,000 loan. Like, it wasn't that big a deal. I wouldn't take out fucking car loan for speakers, my guy. I'm just saying, dude. Everyone in this call. Sober,
Yeah,
by the way.
I'll take it out
That's
for
telling you it's a bad idea.
Well, then I'll just take a loan on and buy a fuck ton of alcohol.
I mean, you could do that if you wanted, I guess.
I mean-
Your livers might give out when you're 40.
I took a $29,000 loan out for Mustang.
You have a Mustang?
Yes, sir.
What kind?
A GT.
500?
Yes, sir.
2015, 2016, 2017?
2018.
2018? Ooh.
Well, okay, it was the last. It's
Wait, hold on.
it's-
Supercharged or stock?
yeah, it's supercharged. It was
Oh my
early
God.
2019.
Show pictures. Show pictures. I need pictures.
I can in a minute. It was early 2019, but it still has a 2018 model. So.
World War II update is pretty neat. The fuck are you talking about?
Wait, there's a World War II update?
For,
That game in years. What are you talking about?
for InfinityLoader.
Oh, what's the update?
Oh, it's for InfinityLoader.
He literally did nothing but fix the button to ZM.
So how does Feb have it working on zombies?
Have what working?
Everything.
Because you can do that?
No, he found the check.
Oh, yeah, he probably did. I mean, Fed probably was working on it.
I've been fucking looking for that thing for ever.
Meh. Fuck that fucking World War II shit. I probably will never work on it.
Would it be more interesting if I streamed, like, Warzone?
Why the fuck are all the names for the bots in this fucking shit? The fuck?
It's funny, I'm fucking looking at what you're looking at. I'm sitting here like I don't even know what
I was
9
talking about Minecraft.
These
The fact
these are all the
for
names of the
for-
bots in Black Ops 4.
So the same as the
Wait,
bots
so
for Black Ops
you
3.
can technically change the bot names with those?
No, those are just the names
Those are
in
the
memory.
preset names. So you see, it's like that. But if you go see bot names, I can go here. See my bot name. You go to stream. No,
I'm about to just give up and hang myself.
So we got the XREF, the data, and we got bot names. Why is it not bringing me to bot names though? That's what I
Okay,
want
I'm
to
gonna
know.
cheat and give myself rockets. Because I need to figure out where I fucking died.
Basically, it's making fun of you for like playing Minecraft when you're a Call of Duty modder YouTuber.
Wait, who is?
Like, hey, look at this new
Okay.
texture pack for World War II.
Oh, Gillum, yeah, you like it? It just came out.
Yeah, they try to optimize the graphics for World War II. Now it looks like Minecraft.
So, Gillum, basically, long story short, I'm trying to find my
What
house.
in the fuck is all that? That is not bot names. Okay, well, since I know what it's calling, where the fuck? Oh my god, where is it? Oh my god. Wait, what the fuck happened? Oh my god. I hate Ida.
I hate not knowing where my house is.
Do you even know where you are at this point?
Nope. I know, like, the landscape for it. Like, this is definitely the area. I'm just not sure, because there's a big-ass hole, and at the bottom of that hole, we dug into the side of a mountain.
Here's the worst part. The closer you think you are to your
I
item,
found something.
the
I
longest
found unlocked tokens.
means that
for
it's
first
probably
spawn,
a higher chance that it's
for
despawn. Because items will stay there forever if you never like load that chunk again. However, if like you're loading in the chunk where the items are, for at least
Oh, no, they're in a chest. They're in a chest. They're in a shulker box that's placed.
they're in a chest. Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah, all my stuff's in a
Basically,
shulker
it's just
box.
a treasure hunt.
Yeah. Aha!
But don't Java clients have like a ESP for shulker boxes?
Probably, but I don't use that stuff.
Yeah, like, who the frig mods in
App.
Yeah, who mods in Minecraft?
fuck? It's literally the world's easiest fucking game. Like the fuck.
Where is it?
You'll be surprised, dude. Like,
Oh, this is where my cousin was. Right. Okay, so that's...
apparently there's a lot of crazy shit you can do with hack clients and things like that.
Yeah, I've heard. Yeah.
Especially in the anarchy scene, like literally, like client makers who will have competitions with each other with
Yes.
anarchy.
At X Turtle.
Imagine using an external.
Yeah, you're telling me, Gillum. I wish I fucking remembered to do that. What the hell? My rockets aren't being used. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know what just happened there, but... Alright.
Oh, he's already cheap. Oh, I think your shit stopped responding.
Alright, so I'm in the right area, because my cousin has a cave here. Ow. Yeah, Gillum, you're fucking telling me, but I wish I did. I wish I did.
Leafy is like, welcome back, TMZ to TMZ Cribs. Except the crib is in the entire world. Let me give you the tour real quick. These are my mountains. This is my lake over here. Look to your left, there's more forest.
That was great. Right as you said that, I died. I fucking smacked it into a wall and died. Straight into it. It wasn't
The
even.
stream just finally caught up. Yeah.
It was like a fly.
That's
Oh
why
my
you save
god.
waypoints. Shut the fuck up. No one has time to make a waystone.
Yahoo! Well, that was fucking hilarious.
Actually,
You.
that's also a thing in hack clients that sometimes you can just do like dot waypoint or something or whatever the command is in the hack client, like create like GUI waypoints or whatever. That's actually one of the cooler shit.
Bro, that was just a fucking hilarious death. That was fucking great. I just smacked dead.
Yeah.
It wasn't even. It wasn't even like I took damage first. I just
Is
fucking
it a local
died.
world? Jesus Christ.
No, server.
Okay, I was about to say I've never seen it not respond that often, not even in the realm.
Whoa.
The server has like 3 gigabits of dedicated RAM.
Yep. Dedicate. How much dedicated RAM do we add to a server?
Please,
I
we need more
just.
dedicated RAM.
Oh, I'm about to stream World War II.
I don't understand the point of making a menu for World War II.
Extreme boredom and money.
Unless it's an off host, I don't understand the point.
Extreme boredom and money.
Who's gonna buy a World War II menu? You can't force host.
Says who?
I think you can on zombies. Like you can force host on zombies and then still get a lobby.
Who
I thought
said?
that to work.
Who said you can't force host?
Or let me correct. You can force host, however, it's useless because no one will join you. Because it's server side.
No, sir. Even if it was going, I didn't die. Yo! Hold up. Hang on. Hang on, guys.
You found it?
Hang,
Crafting table.
hang on. Hang on. Oh, fuck! I want to kill myself.
Well,
Dude, I just saw how you died. Literally, what's wrong with you?
What the fuck did I do? Yeah, that was great. Oh my god. I want to kill myself. Oh my
Were
god.
you sober?
No, I'm very high. Yo, that was fucking
Okay,
hilarious.
I was
Oh
like,
my
I'm a sober man. How this stream right now? What the fuck am I watching?
Simple.
That was great.
You see all this?
Oh my god, I'm crying right now.
Oh, you don't see it?
You watched that death, right?
what the hell you're even doing, so it's pointless for me.
I don't understand.
These are all like dev commands.
Oh fuck. That-
Developer commands, really?
Yeah. See how it says press control numpad, press control numpad.
Kill him.
You can directly do
Go.
what you want.
Least cheating.
Bro, you should have seen this stream.
The var type.
Simple, did you watch that?
R type? Excuse me?
Alright, guess I'm going back again, boys.
It can be a float of 3 or 2 or a float.
I can't believe I found it and then just fucking fell to my death.
Literally, there's a developer mod menu.
I think,
And what, AO4?
I think they do have that in most of their games.
They do have it in most of their games. It's a dev menu, but they take it out like two betas before the game's finally released. So there's no way for people to have it, like figure out a way. Because in COD 4 and World at War, you can re-enable the dev menu on PC.
Huh.
Really?
Like, yeah, hold on, let me show you.
Yeah, that's a good point, Gillum. I should do that.
You actually do have to show me, because, like, I really want to see this. This is news to me, that there's literally an in-game mod menu.
Yeah, and it's in every Call of
They
Duty.
literally have their own menu. Hold on.
It's literally just a basic like DVAR thing.
I feel like it would mostly be like a debug shit, but either way, I still wanna, it's piqued my interest.
Hold on. I'll look that up. Maybe that'll come up. There's this one YouTuber that posted a video on it.
You tell me none of you guys saw that death?
I thought, yeah.
That was fucking hilarious. I wanted to fucking hang myself, bro. Legit just got there. I should have slept or something.
Okay, right here. So, oh wait, no, that's not it. Hold on. I don't have it anymore. Hold on. That's not it.
Maybe like Call of Duty World at War debug menu.
I'm gonna look it up actually on here.
COD 4 would probably show you.
Oh yeah.
Like, how do you not get bored playing Minecraft, though?
Well, when you fucking smack face front into a wall, it becomes a really entertaining game. Twice. And then you finally find your house that you just spent 10 minutes searching for, and you just plummet to your fucking death and die again.
I usually develop for Minecraft more than I actually play it.
I
I like
made
to just
one
tinker
thing
with the
from
game.
Minecraft. One thing, it was just a god mode function thing. That's all. Other than that, I never made anything for Minecraft.
Oh no, I create an anti-cheat called UAC, and I mean Bedrock Edition doesn't really have an anti-cheat.
Where is it, Gillum?
I just like fuck it. But that's basically where most of my time went. Go ahead, sorry.
Oh, here we go, right here. Oh wait, no. This is okay. Here we go. This is the guy.
This is Modern Warfare 4. Oh,
Yeah. Hold on. Where is it? This guy posts everything about everything. I had like preview builds of the COD game. But yeah, there'd be like a debug menu, like you just press D-pad up and it'll come up like a debug menu, like a console, but a debug menu with like type deal.
Yeah, see, the problem is, Gillum, I don't know where my cousin's cave is. But it's kind of big, so once I find it, I won't forget it.
Can't find anything.
Okay, got it.
And again, you have a bed on you.
Fucking Abe. Where is it?
Maybe like developer menu? Developer default.
I gotta find it.
25 years later.
Imagine. Imagine I died right there.
Imagine.
It's very rare to find. A lot of people knew how to open it.
Carnage.
Because you actually need a legit, like, keyboard hooked up to your fucking Xbox. And then, fuck, is he a horse?
Oh, I thought that was simple X. Never mind.
Okay, so let me find the village.
Last gen has the base weapon.
Kill him! Kill him! Screenshot. Screenshot, 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 screenshot. Screenshot some more. Screenshot.
Like 15 different screenshots of just coordinates. They're all the same thing.
Hey, dude, why so many screenshots?
Screenshot.
Gotta make sure he captures it. Like paparazzi, I just gotta take like 5 photos of the exact same thing.
Alright, so now boys. I sent
And
it to
for
you,
some
Gil.
reason, the third picture is more expensive to
Oh,
sell
the
than
weed
the first one I took.
Intog.
It's meant at 16 terabytes worth of screenshots. Alright, so here's my hole. Now the question is, how do I do this? No! Okay.
I've been in for more than an hour. What are they doing?
Oh, wow. They're completing an offer.
Okay. Let me get back to this.
It's not Wevault.
Hmm. Okay, so let me try that again.
I've literally been doing fucking dick all for the past hour and a half. But yeah, I can't do much else with anything because like it's in a meeting for work is what I'm stuck in. I'm just muted in like this Microsoft Teams call, so I can't really just go develop my menu. I'm just kind of fucking pacing in my garage having cabin fever. Someone come save me.
I'm trying to get down without dying.
This is amusing to watch.
Guys! Ahead!
Where you found it?
Yes, sir. Ignore how unorganized this is right now.
Literally just a
Oh
light
no, okay,
fizz.
I was about to say, like, the hell?
18 plus only, guys. Shit.
What the fuck am I doing?
I'm only 12.
Okay, cool. So this is where I want to like build my house.
You know, in the spot that it took you hours to even find.
Yes. Look at this cave,
Makes
bro.
sense. All person initiate.
Yes, save. I'm gonna need those for later.
Dude, it literally looks like you're using a texture pack. That's funny.
No, Minecraft doesn't update, so this is a different type of stone.
Uh, I mean, I also haven't played Minecraft since, like, forever ago, so...
16 terabytes worth of screenshots. Ah, yes.
But Emoji fucking played, well, he used to play a lot of Minecraft. He used to play Factions. What a gay loser.
Okay, so Gillum, the new update goes to -64, I think. And in order to get iron, you need to be at, or no, I think it's -120 now. So now you have to be at -50 or like 0 to -50 in order to find iron. And a bunch of other places. Like, it's all just way different now.
In Bedrock Edition, you just have to be at 540.
Right, but this is a new update.
Iron. Oh, like new?
Yeah, like it's gonna. They basically redid the entire caves.
Like just turned 18. Type new.
It's the snapshot.
Oh, okay. You can't get any more good than that, got you. Wait, didn't they take they literally, like, took out the nether shit? Or not the nether, they took out the underworld accidentally. The strongholds don't actually spawn for whatever reason.
Oh, in this update?
In one of the updates.
That's okay. That's why I gave us elytras, because I couldn't find a way to get there. But I'm not, like, I'm only using them until we finish building houses, and then we're getting rid of them.
I would just keep them, because if that is the update I'm thinking about, strongholds don't even generate. So there's no way to enter the end legitly, basically. You know, when Mojang accidentally edits out the ending of the game.
Forget about it.
Forget about it. Hey, I'm fucking it.
Yeah, simple. So you can hold stuff in your hands, by pressing F on the item that you want, but you can only use certain items. Like, you can only use a torch, in your hand. I think that's the only object you can use, and I think maybe food. No, I don't think you can do food. I don't remember.
What
You'll,
Bedrock Edition can do.
you can do food in Bedrock.
No, that's literally we can do.
I know you can do the
We
shield.
can do a shield. We can do a totem, and that's pretty much it. This is literally it. No, you can do arrows, and that's it. Arrows for whatever reason. Apparently, if you like to have multiple types of arrows in your inventory, whatever's in your offhand will be the arrows that get prioritized. I guess is the point.
Oh, that's cool.
It's your casual nigga right here.
What?
Hey, I'm on stream, boy.
Oh, what? They can hear me?
Yeah.
You should, mute me. I did
I'm
not
not
mean
gonna
to do
lie.
that.
And as soon as I heard other voices that I recognized in the stream, I looked at the IL Discord and I was like, huh, let me join this real quick.
Hey, Leaf, so do you know who Bog's looking at for the next 3?
Lurgy.
Who?
Probably Andy, PP, and I don't know who else.
He's looking at Nightwalker, which is in the called Dynamic in El Pepe.
Oh.
I was talking to him about it last night, so.
But yeah, I told
But
him.
yeah, he said he didn't care if I told them, so it doesn't matter. So.
I told both of them, actually all three of them, to just keep showing me their work, and as we get more impressed, we'll start showing back. That's basically what I said to them.
I believe Sinful has like a development build of V2 if you ever want to look at it.
Of what?
Because I needed them to test it to see if it would convert back to the IL project.
Emoji has it, not me.
Yeah, I just wanted to see if it would inject through IL because I was working on T7. And he injected it for me just to test it. But he has the build basically of Icebreaker V2. The one I'm working on right now.
So it wasn't.
It's
It's
zombies.
that one's not the same as the default menu, right? Like, are you remaking it entirely, or?
It's using a lot of the base code. However, I fucked with a lot of the base code. It looks recognizable. You know, if you compare them side by side, but it's completely different. It's reorganized, has a lot more functions and shit. Even I think that project design menu, which also uses that base code and is fucking selling the menu for whatever reason because
Oh.
it's an asshole.
I love how Project Divine is
it's
Sinful's
even-
menu name.
Yeah, basically. I mean, it's arguably a little better than that, and not just in looks alone.
Why is it hot?
Looking through the window, I swear.
I wanna fix like 3 things in it, and then it's pretty much good to go. It's good for release. However, I wanna see if when it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and send it to Bog first, just to see if he likes it, and see if it can be like just to help out InfinityLoader. I'm trying to get it to where like it's the only way to download the menu or inject it is through the like InfinityLoader library, and it's closed source like that basically. If not, then I'll just release out my own.
You see, that's how we were supposed to do it. That's how everyone was instructed. But I guess CF4 just like, didn't get the memo.
Okay, I got you.
Doesn't care about anybody but himself.
Yeah, like he's looking at me. I mean, which is more than I deserve. I'm actually incredibly inexperienced compared to Sinful or any other actual developer, but the potential is there. You know, to learn more shit.
But that's what he wants. He wants somebody who has like the motivation to learn, somebody who's active.
Bro, you should have seen my first menu. When I made my first menu, Psychosis, I was so excited. It was probably the ugliest menu in development at that time. And so much people were hyped over it for some damn reason, and it kept making me more hype, and it only had like 20 options.
Like literally everyone is praising my ice like V2, and literally I'm like, oh, I barely fucking understand how it works in the first place, but thank you.
Although now I've learned a lot about GC. There's still a lot I definitely need to learn, but I've learned a lot.
That's awesome, man.
Looking through the window.
I'd be working on it right now if I wasn't stuck in a Teams call.
To be honest, I can tell you this. I think working on a hashed game will teach you more about GSC than if you were working on one that wasn't hashed. In that, I mean that because it's a lot harder to try to understand it, but once you understand like how variables are used in just a hashed version, it's so much easier when they're named. But then that's just me, and I guess I have experience with both, so like I've gotten used to it.
We're baptism through fire, basically. Like,
Right. But I guess I also know what the variables are and stuff, so like I don't know. It goes hand in hand, I guess.
yeah, I get that. I had to kind of learn these variables on my own. I was using the default menu as reference because I had no idea. I went into making Icebreaker with absolutely no idea how to use the GSC language at all. My prior experience was just like config menus or this Black Ops 1 menu that literally didn't have a UI. You just fucking tap danced your way around changing the scoreboard color, and based on what color your scoreboard was is what the D-pad did basically. It basically was my first time using GSC, and I just kind of learned as I go, and now I'm to the point where I can freestyle kind of how, like, if I can think it, I could probably code it. Is where I'm at now. The only real problem is that if I switch to another game like BO4 or Black Ops 2, I would just have to kind of relearn what styles they really need to do as far as GSD. But that would take maybe a day or two, and then I would probably be able to freestyle it as best as I can, as good as I can for Black Ops 3.
I have never even used Black Ops 4.
Oh,
I modded Black Ops 3. Literally the entire time that I modded Black Ops 3 was prior to when Sinful got banned. And then I just kind of stopped playing it.
Yeah, the only game that I'm not good at right now, and I'm not even gonna work on it till IL releases it, if they ever do, but BO4, just because friggin', I honestly cannot I can't with those fucking you know? Oh, yeah.
Why BO4?
Because, like, everything is, like, they're called, like, okay, so, like, if you wanna, like, do anything, it's all, like, hashed, so, like, you have to, like, it's worse than World War II, like, and there's, like, no, like, HUDs, so it just kinda makes the game ugly, so, just too many different reasons that game just really isn't working.
yeah, a lot of shit on World War II is starting to
So
piss me
this is
off.
going to come off as a stupid question, but like, if the game is hashed, does that mean that you need to inject it already compiled, or what does that mean?
No, so the hash basically is just relating to the GSC scripts. So the GSC scripts themselves are hashed. So instead of the function name being like print all players or whatever, it could be like func underscore XYZ instead, or func underscore E350.
It just sucks.
That's gonna fucking suck.
Yeah, so I just said fuck it.
World War II is the same way, but I've just gotten really good at understanding what they're doing. For example, all the init functions in World War II are all f or func underscore 000D. All of them. Every time there's an init function, that's what it's called. So, okay, I can use that. Now I know where the functions all have inits, which is usually at the start of the function, or the script, but sometimes it could be lower. Depends on like what script it is and what's happening in the script. But that's how I was able to find like bots and all that stuff. Cause I've only looked at the ghosts dump like 5 times. I'm not really referencing it, which is why I'm like kind of proud of it. It's because I haven't looked at ghosts as much as people like do.
I don't even have the ghost dump. I only have the World War II dump.
Well,
That's
I mean,
it.
if you wanted to go stuff, you could have asked. I mean, I gave it to leave.
Creatures lying, looking through. Fuck.
I'd rather look at the World War II dump.
Or-
Yeah, but
I think
Uh,
no one actually knows the actual or the original version of that song.
yeah, but see, that's dynamic. See, that's the thing. A lot of what World War II has a lot of stuff from like Ghost. Like you'll be able to like reference it.
That's what they. Oh, sorry, simple. Carry on.
Go ahead.
That's yeah. Referencing ghosts is probably the best thing you can do for World War II. Any other game is fine, but ghosts in World War II are like 1-to-1. The only difference is going to be divisions and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And even that's still the same.
Can you send me the dump then, Simple?
What's that?
Oh, I'm
Can you
not
send
on
me
my
the dump?
my gaming
Oh, yeah,
PC
sure,
right now.
man. No problem.
If it saves me time and shit.
Yeah,
Fuck.
we'll give you a lot of time. Honestly, I'm not. Yeah, I'm not even gonna work on World War II. I'm gonna get Emoji to do the fucking World War II.
I'm tempted to release my World War II dump, which just has all the functions named.
I just said hey, so I could find our chat master.
So like wouldn't you just be able to make your own functions in the game, or if it's literally the only kind of obstacle you have to face is when you're trying to call an in-game function, you have to look for the hash, basically.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, like, for example, like BO3 uses, or at least my menu uses the in-game function of just enable invulnerability for God mode. Or basically, the only huddle I would have to beat is look for the hash equivalent of that in Black Ops 4.
Right.
Yeah,
So
yeah, still enable and
on those
I
games,
have a feeling that's why you guys use self.health. Is that why? Because you don't feel like doing the hash
no,
for the
that's
end game?
That's because certain CODs don't have it. InfinityLoader doesn't have it. So you can either make it yourself by overriding the on-player damage function, or you can just set health. Now, setting health isn't actually God mode because you can still frag and die. If someone uses a kill streak, they can kill you. Um, as long as it's like an infinite damage kill streak, like a minigun or something like that, they can still kill you.
Oh, okay. Got you. I have
Um,
a feel. I mean, probably this is already a thing, but like, what I would probably take on that approach is literally to have it in a loop. So like, basically
oh, it is.
every 1,000 cycles it goes ahead and
Right.
just lets you help again. So like, I don't know, while it is defined, God mode do this basically.
That's how it's done. But if you think of World War or World at War, right? So the flamethrower is an infinite damage gun. In that when
Oh,
you
really?
use the flamethrower, it deals infinite damage. So it'll just kill you. The same thing with the minigun in Black Ops 3 and some other games. So when you try to do something like that with an infinite damage gun, it's just gonna kill the person.
Oh, that's not good. I gotta fix that. That's not good.
What'd you do?
Yeah, so yeah, the only thing we'll do is like if it's already
Interesting.
done, then you just return, or you can just do nothing. So
Yeah.
Got you.
so
That's why I'd usually just override the God mode and just make or override player damage and add a check. But
Basically, in Black Ops 4, it's just easier to
I'm just gonna
make
load
your
it
own
before it
health type
overflows.
shit rather than looking for the in-game function of invulnerability.
Oh wow. I think I crashed it. Yep. Nope. No. Wow. Holy
This
fuck.
is where I'm getting at.
yeah, I mean, in World War II, for example, that doesn't exist, that function, so you have to make your own. I've been trying to find the player damage override so that I can just not do it the like self like a health way, but it takes a lot of time to look through those files.
Leaf, I actually have a really important question.
Yes.
Hey, so like Sirius and obviously Extinct have the PDB, why don't they just, like with the dumps, why don't they just make it so then it's all, so then they aren't so hashed?
I don't know. I don't think Extinct uses IL though.
Wait, what's it?
I don't think Extinct uses IL anymore.
No, I don't think so. No.
Pretty sure it.
He uses his own shit.
Well, no, he
He
said he doesn't
just
even
uses
do GSC anymore.
S7.
He was telling me he doesn't even do GSC anymore. So
What the fuck does he do then?
C++.
He's making a custom map, like, thing, like, for Black Ops 3, I think. And he just released a deal for compiler.
Well, it wasn't him who did the compiler. I'm pretty sure Sirius did it.
Serious.
Oh, I'm talking about Serious.
Yeah,
Sorry.
Extinct and Sirius, they don't talk anymore either for some reason. Did either of them ever tell you what happened?
I mean, I just recently blocked CF49 again and freaking Extinct, so now I don't talk to either of them. So.
Creatures lying, looking through the
Just so you
window.
know, your sping text, it's supposed to be spinning, not sping text.
Sping. I love when I sping around in circles.
It's like no, not there. The actual like that one. Like if you look in front of that one, it says sping test.
You sping my head around.
I was doing this drunk last night. I spelled spin wrong.
You're like, literally, we're trying to get you to put a fucking, for each player in level dot, like, fucking array inside of a function, and you kept coding outside the function, and we were, like, it was funny. It was funny to
Yeah,
watch.
and then I fixed his fucking. Well, no, Leaf was there, but yeah, I fixed his fucking square menu.
I don't know what you guys are trying to ask me yesterday, but I had a very bad toothache.
Oh, that's hot.
Looking through the window, I swear. How should I feel? Which is like
Turn the shades down.
stab a monkey.
Turn the shades down.
I want
look,
they
they
are.
see my
Guys, my pickaxe is gonna die. I might play Warzone. Would you guys be interested in watching? I don't know. I don't even know how I'd stream that on Xbox.
The streaming.
Yeah, but you can't stream to
It's
YouTube.
literally a stream thing, like how
No,
PS4 has.
PS4 is YouTube exclusivity.
Yay. Well then why not stream Warzone on your friggin' PC, bro?
Yeah.
Cause I don't like PC.
Do you not have
Well,
a
I
Twitch
don't
for
like
it?
you. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Do I not have a what? I have a Twitch, yeah, but I don't know if anyone's gonna watch it on there.
No, I was like asking like if you're. Actually, that sounds rude to ask. Never mind.
Wait, would you ask?
I was like, does your PC just not have the specs for it?
Oh, no. My PC can handle anything I throw at it. The issue is that I don't want to play it on PC. I play it on Xbox because I don't like cheaters.
Yeah, I honestly
that.
agree. So I kind of see where you.
Looking through the window. I've played solos today and I got to rank 3. I died because I lagged.
So when you say there's no HUDs, simple, what is? Are you talking about like is that a UI like a specific UI element that you can't use?
Yeah, so like it's only iPrint line menus, so everybody's menu is gonna look the same, and then everybody's just gonna, honestly, everybody's probably just gonna use friggin' because it.
Wait, how does that like literally? It's just an iPrint pop-up like messages, and that's the menu.
Yes, but it's.
Oh
But
god.
well, it like stays on the screen, but yeah, it's kind of trash. But honestly, if you kind of look at Beb's menu, if you notice, it's almost the exact same as Xfig's subversion menu, but ported over to BO4 because they have almost the same options.
Gotcha.
If you didn't notice, because I did kind of notice that. So anybody can really just take subversion and then just figure out what needs to be switched with the functions, and then everybody would have the exact same mod menu. So it's kind of pointless to fucking even work on BO4 until like
My BO4 base ideas can be really cool.
Okay, there you go.
I mean,
Now
big
it turned.
fixes it. Like, there's a reason there is no HUD is for. Hey, that's actually really fucking cool. How the fuck?
What?
Moving text.
My BO4
I've
base
actually
idea
started learning
is
how to do text. The
left to
only
right
things I know
scrolling.
is fade over time and scale over time.
and then there's HUD move X, HUD move Y.
Those aren't actual built-ins.
Wait, what?
Those aren't built-ins. Those are utilities.
No, when I type in HUD move, it says it's a built-in function.
Oh, maybe back out of them. Man. I'm pretty sure it's in your utilities file.
Oh yeah, local function. Well then, what the fuck are
That's pretty lit.
um,
To have it moving and rainbow at the exact same time, that's kind of a flex. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, okay, which is just HUD move, which is the X and the time. So self move over time, and you just do self dot X is equal to X or whatever you want to do.
Oh, so
literally-
it's move over time.
Yeah, like there's it looks like this.
Move over
honestly.
time, fade
I
over
feel really
time.
stupid 'cause I thought it was a built-in function.
So
This-
basically, he would have to keep defining the actual color of the element for
it
rainbow.
looked-
I
Yeah.
did mine in such a good way. The way I coded my rainbow was that it deletes the element and then creates a new one in a different color.
Oh, that's gonna oh, the opcodes. Oh, no. That's gonna overflow. Okay. So what you should try is just using fade over time instead. So just change the color and then fade over time.
Alright, okay, yeah, I'll probably just do that instead. Because literally, my rainbow function is this long ass fucking strand of delete element, create it again in a different color, and then literally just that down for like 16 different colors.
Where the fuck?
It friggin' leaves.
It doesn't seem to overflow.
But
Since it's deleting the element, it's not really taking up.
alright, so it's not gonna overflow text. What I mean is it's gonna. So basically, the game has a certain amount of HUDs allocated for RAM, right? Or allocated to the players. So the more times you delete and spawn, it's kind of like how when you spawn entities, if you don't delete them from the memory, it'll like do like G underscore. What is it? G underscore entity, and then basically there's too much entities, right? So if you keep spamming the shit out of deleting and calling a HUD, it can cause the game to basically crash. I mean, at least it did in MW2. I don't know about other games, but in Modern Warfare 2.
Even if you're destroying that element.
Right. So on MW2 we had. It's only if you do it too fast. On MW2, our workaround to that was a new EXE, I believe, but I don't know if everybody has that EXE. So.
Got you. It seems to work just fine on Black Ops 3, even though it's like even just saying it, it sounds incredibly inefficient. But I'll probably just simplify it to the fade over time. Because it's probably a lot healthier and more optimized, and I need to actually put more colors in my rainbow anyway.
I need to get
literally
wood.
all it's using is blue, pink, red.
Will you guys be mad if I give myself wood? Does that make me a bitch? I shouldn't do
Yeah,
it.
it makes
Oh,
you a
sorry.
major bitch. No, I'm just kidding.
Well, my alternative is get all the way out of this fucking cave.
I mean, just do it. Who really gives a crap? Nobody's gonna call you a bitch. It's just a game.
Also, question that may come up as like a really question.
Okay, so I'm gonna
I
say
just
this
haven't
really
tested
quick.
it yet. I've only tested fade over time for an alpha, but fade over time can just fade from one color to the other, basically, right?
Yeah. So there's no such thing as a dumb question. Just so you know.
Unless you're sinful, because I should know certain things, but I ask dumb questions.
No, I just say that just because like usually like at least in the Minecraft community, because I do really advanced shit there. Some things that people have claimed to not be possible.
Nah, Minecraft is
People
toxic as
sometimes
fuck.
like acts obvious shit, and I'm like, bruh, how the fuck are you able to do this but not this? So I can relate to that frustration. So I just kind of.
No, it's like some people can. I know people that can go their whole time coding and not know how to make a base. I know people that everybody learns at different levels and you do different shit. Like some people can make a whole fucking flying UFO thing but may not know how to structure something. But the difference is whether or not you're gonna reference something or if you're just gonna let it stay that way. So like Sinful took the time to learn how to make a base and he's still trying to figure it out, but he's making progress on it.
Yeah.
Because
Yeah,
if you don't
that's
learn
why
it,
I actually took the time to learn like the text, create text and create rectangles myself. I actually had to go on like this modding site to just read documentation of like just a framework function I had to draw them. But ever since then, I was kind of like playing with it by myself, and you can tell like Simple has my menu. My little quick mods UI, like the shit isn't really aligned properly. Like I got the text in the side of the UI just aligned just as close as I can get it, and like there's UI or like the actual UI elements that don't really like align. Like now it made me understand why fucking Sirius had like this offset that you get hung up on that was literally just 0.35. That's because like literally if you align it just properly, it's still gonna be off by like a pixel for whatever reason.
oh, magic numbers, yeah.
But like I went through that frustration just to go ahead and try and error it because I've learned it, you know. That was the whole point.
I give you credit. I don't know a single fucking person that could put up with Sirius's bases. Like this is why he doesn't release menu bases because he doesn't make them easy to understand. So I give you credit for using it.
Well, dude, I was trying to pull this out
I've actually learned a lot. Like I learned how to use the fade over time and the scale over time just by looking at how he used it inside of his base.
Yeah, add a players menu. Yeah, you'll see where it gets confusing.
I wouldn't be able to read that and tell you how the players menu works.
That's exactly my point.
Like
adding a players menu
I mean,
to that.
Looking at it, I can get the general idea of what it's doing, but like if I wanted to like understand it enough to recreate it myself just by looking at his base, probably not. But I would probably put that fault more on me just being inexperienced with the language more than just his base.
No, the way.
I actually admire the default menu for being very fucking organized. Like it's really like organized for my OCD, and I try to keep that same organization and trying to like working on building on top of that foundation.
The way he made that base makes it almost impossible to add a players menu. At least the release version of it.
All on throwing out
built
there,
on
though?
top. I built on top of the players menu, and I gave like more options and stuff. I actually created a different thing. Like the base menu just comes with options for individual players. I actually created another players menu that would do things for all players at once instead of individually because it would make it easier.
I'll just do two.
Anyway, but like, yeah, no, I tried to port his Catalyst freaking base, which was Extinct's base, but how Extinct had it set up, it was just like when you do it, like you just add the var and then it will turn it on. But with how Sirius did it, is he fucking he fucking added like 12 different checks just to turn on the var.
Oh yeah, that's just to make it so people can't copy his code.
I guess, yeah, but like, I mean, like if he wasn't gonna release it at the time, then it shouldn't really have mattered.
I'm not going to lie, I actually did a lot of the Easter egg functions just from the flags that Catalyst was using for Shadows of Evil. You cannot skid that code. I had to make that shit from scratch. I copied all the flags he was using, but I had to like create the arrays and inject. I had to call upon them my own way because literally all this code is calling upon one function that calls upon a different function, and that one does different shit, and it's literally
Yeah.
just all math inside that function. And I'm like, what the fuck is this doing?
God damn it.
What?
There was no copying that code. But
Well,
I'm pretty sure that's the point.
Clearly, you're not
you
an
can if
extreme
you figure
paster.
out what all the checks do, technically, but, I mean, it would be a waste of your time, to be honest.
Yeah. When I'm literally just trying to figure out Easter eggs, which I guess is arguably the most complicated thing you can do is Easter eggs.
No.
I didn't feel like taking the time to decode a menu just to use Easter egg functions.
The hardest
When
script is God mode.
first started talking to Lee, I did not even know how to port a base. It was pretty simple.
You didn't know how it would?
To port a base to like other CODs, but like, I mean, like I was able to make functions. I just didn't know much about bases, like how they worked and whatnot. But I mean, I just ported a base for that Orbits kid, the ghost from BO3. I mean, he said he didn't want to do it, but I think it's more he didn't know how to do it. But I mean, since I learned enough, I can now port bases from game to game, which is nice.
Okay, well, I gotta end the game again.
But still making bases, I can do all the UI, I can do all the HUD. It's just the text. Can't do fucking text. So
That's just always the fucking different.
I need to get
I
wood.
wouldn't know how to port a base either. Seems like you literally have to fucking see what works from one game and create it. Literally every aspect of the menu.
well, from COD 4 to like, what is that, Ghost? Probably even Advanced Warfare, because they probably use the Ghost engine on there too. But would all work almost the exact same. Like you might need to change, like if they have like like action slots from like say like BO2, you'd have to change those to like whatever the hell they have it. I think it's like if player command or some shit, or on player command or some crap.
That is really crazy. Did you just say Ghost and Modern Warfare use the same thing?
Advanced Warfare.
Oh, Advanced Warfare.
Modern Warfare does too. They're all based off of the Ghost or World War II engine, which is based off of the Ghost engine. So yeah. No one knows that, but yeah. So if you go look at the World War II assets, and then you look at the even now with Vanguard, if you look at the assets in Vanguard, when you use like a glide bomb or anything, they are the exact same assets that they are from World War II.
Yeah, I've noticed the same like ESP type shit. Like the ESP thing or whatever when you drop the bomb.
The only reason to code for World War II is if you're a developer and have access to like the RC off of.
Nah. You can force us.
Well,
You can force those, but then no one can join you. So there's no.
Oh, is it dedicated?
Yeah, they're dedicated.
World War II?
World War II, yeah.
World War II is dedicated servers. It's not client side, it's just server sided. So
Yeah,
if
there's
you
no peer-to-peer, so you can force those, but it's not gonna work.
so people have to be in your game to like do that. Because when I did World War II recoveries, that's what I did.
You have to add more dedicated WAM to a server.
Okay with Wham.
Dedicated WAM.
Once in a blue moon, sometimes you will actually be the server, but like that's like 1 in a million. So it has peer-to-peer capability, but it's dedicated servers. So you can't. There's no real point of making a GSC on that game for multiplayer unless you
There we
have
go.
the ability to do
Well, that works.
offloads.
Logic V. We'll just
The only way that people can join you if you do like a force host, yeah, it's like if you invite them, which really sucks, but
Alright, boss.
that's why it's not working.
I do believe zombies is peer-to-peer though, so that would. I mean, that's probably what I would do is a zombies menu.
yeah, I started working on zombies and then I said, well,
Nope, zombies is not peer to peer.
It's not.
Nope.
That is interesting because I actually did get a GSC to work on. It was like from fucking engine owning shit, whatever the fuck it was. It was a GSC, but not from people that usually do it. So I
2-7.
actually was able to use it online on zombies. I'm not sure how.
Are you talking about the T7
I wasn't able to
menu?
recreate it.
Or,
Yeah, it was the T7 menu.
or S2, I should say.
I was able to use that online on zombies at once though. I don't know how, but I guess I glitched it out because I was not able to like recreate that thing and be host again.
Looking through the window,
But I know it is possible. You can do it. I'm not sure. I'm just not sure how I did it.
I mean, technically anything's possible.
Anything's possible.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see if this works now.
You guys sound like a bunch
Hey,
of...
that's what I fucking want. There we go.
Well, you're amazing. Thanks, man.
For what?
For nothing. For,
He's just thanking you.
yeah, I'm just
I got
You
a
fucking
card.
Jew, take it.
Okay.
I'd move Y.
Oh, for that I sent you. Oh yeah, that's just because I mean that's like what it comes with the
Okay,
you bill when you use IL. So
right click IL and just click new file and then click on utilities.
yeah, no,
Oh, okay.
all the good you bill.
I'm going to have to fucking redo a lot of aspects of the default menu because I'm going to have to, instead of like it defining its color inside like where it draws the UI, I'm going to have to like define it as like, I don't know, main color, and then make main color equal whatever the fuck I want. Because I'm trying to make it to where I can change the color.
Are you
of the menu?
are you for real? I did not know about this.
Hold on, I'm watching.
I did not know there was oh my god.
Yeah, whole entire util file when you.
Well, no one knows it's there. You have to know it's there to know it's there.
Yeah,
Bruh.
Or just pay
I needed
attention to the
a
tool.
bunch of that shit.
actually pretty good util file. So.
Wow. Whatever.
I needed so much of that. I needed that set point. Literally, I was looking so much for that set point. I'm mad.
Honestly, Leaf, I've been thinking about renaming the menu from Paladin.
Rename it. Okay, George.
Well, no, it's just because, like, I don't know, like, I know that, like, Emoji wants it to stay, because, like, well, I mean, like, because he wants it to be, like, branded to his thing, but, like, I just want, like, each game to have a different name, to be honest.
You sound like Matrix.
I don't know, it's just, like, to me, it's just, like, how I think it should be, but, I mean, everybody's different.
Matrix mods?
Honestly,
Matrix.
I was thinking about recreating his menu on, like, every single game, but then I got bored. Like, I had it done for COD 4, fucking World at War, BO1, and BO2. And then, like, even with zombies for both of them, even though that, like, you didn't have zombies on BO2, but I just did for the one from Zombies BO1.
Assuming Gabe remade his menu.
Scrapped it all, deleted it all, and said, fuck it.
If I become a official developer, I might do the same thing. I'm just gonna make an icebreaker menu for all cards.
Yeah, honestly, it's worth
Continue
it.
the trend.
Yeah, like, I don't mean to, like, be like, don't buy IL, but, like, honestly, like, if I wasn't a verified dev, I probably wouldn't have kept using IL. Honestly. It's just, I don't know, I just don't want to have to, like, honestly, in my opinion, I just don't want to have to pay for IL.
It
Yeah, I feel that,
it
yeah.
should be a certain price for like lifetime for all of them. It shouldn't be separate. That's what I think.
I'm like 90% sure that even like if you weren't a verified dev and you talked to Bog and said, hey, like would you do like a deal on like all the games lifetime? I'm pretty sure he would. Like honestly, at the end of the day, he probably would if you were gonna buy all of them. So
When I joined, it was like $30 for a month of injection time for Black Ops 3, and I didn't feel like coughing that up just to finish my mod menu at the time. So, but now that T7 came out, and with the new knowledge that Icebreaker wasn't even available anymore, because now we do file hosting, is what got me back into this. So I was like, hey, let me finish this and release it. But like, if I had just access to like literally all the compilers, that would literally be my new hobby. Is just like trying to recreate Icebreaker and every other thing that IL can do.
yeah, I mean, see,
Every
like
other game.
you once you're done that one, you could use IL and do like say because what World at War BO1 and BO2 are all free. You could start on one of the other games, so then like then you can show like Bog that you can do other games too. You know.
Yeah, there's that. I might actually just do that.
Because honestly, at the end of the day, GSC is all the same. I mean, like at the end of the day, it's like most of the functions will work on other games. Like they really will. Like I've noticed that like 90% of the functions you can just take from one game and put it to the other game and it will work. So it's kind of sad, and that's why like a lot of people come out with menus so quick. Like especially like if we're talking Feb, that's what he 10 to 1 does. So it's just how it is. But so
I'm pretty sure it's going to be a lot of me taking functions out until it actually loads in, and then trying to port what functions didn't work.
well, yeah, like if you were to go from like BO3 to like say World at War, then yeah, you're gonna have a lot of issues. But like if you went from like World at War to say like World or like COD 4 to World at War to like MW2 to like BO1, MW3, and you kept going up from the years, you would notice that like you could just normally take one function and put it over, take one function and put it over.
Okay.
There's still an explosion on.
I don't want to be rude or anything, but Leaf is live right now.
Oh yeah, we know.
So funny, you can hear you guys talk.
Oh, that's fine. I mean, he has like 4 people watching, so it's fine. I mean, I'm one of the people watching, so.
I wanted to
Yeah,
people watching too.
Yeah.
Leaf, if you mind, we apologize.
So it's not.
No, I don't care.
Calling
You
it FX. They're calling it by Funk. AA Explosion Runner.
I don't understand like the point of putting the word function before a function.
hashing.
I mean,
Is there?
yeah, that's just how the game calls it, so you have to call it that way. Unless they need to like go through it with the PDB and fix the whole entire compiler to where you can use the actual function name or whatever they put it in, I guess. Because they could put like
It's just a compiler thing.
yeah, like I mean, if friggin' Bog really wanted, he could make it to where like everything needs to have InfinityLoader in front of it, otherwise it won't load. At the end of the day, you could. So.
That.
So it'll be like InfinityLoader underscore just saying enable vulnerability. Like he could do that if he really wanted. And I only know that because I didn't know that at first, but then I was talking to my friend about that Xbox 360 compiler, how he put like those 3 things in front of it to load like a built-in function, And then like I talked to Don, the guy said no, it's just how the game calls it, so you have to have it like that. But then I talked to a friend about it, and he said no. He could
Wait,
do
how
it.
the Project G?
I wonder if there's a way to like just cheat your way out of it and make like this array where like for every function in like this or whatever, and like literally it just gives you a list of where inside that menu it just gives you a list of literally all the in-game function names, and you just call upon them and see what they do.
Never gonna happen.
That would be
Oh
cool.
my god, Leaf actually talks. It's a miracle.
He talks when he wants to.
I like that shy kid in class who's pulled out a gun.
I did that once.
Shut the fuck up.
It's this channel man for just saying that.
He pulls the trigger on the gun and it fucking hits a lighter.
Sorry guys, I think it's fun.
If this, hopefully this works and I have explosive bullets.
Holy shit, I've been in this call. Dude, it's about fucking lunchtime and they're still...
Lunchtime, it's like 3 p.m. for me.
It's almost 1:30.
Well, it's 3... I usually do like a 30-minute break from my work at like 3 o'clock their time, or Eastern Standard Time. But I'm still in this fucking meeting.
Oh, there's a syntax error. Where's the syntax?
Syntax error.
Uh-oh.
You're banned.
What?
Watching you, where the fuck are you coding it?
He's on a sentence.
Oh, okay. I was gonna be like, what the hell?
Imagine syntax error.
Okay. Imagine a bad syntax error.
Oh, I know why.
Dude, your thing is all sorts of fucked up. Oh, there you go. Never mind. Wait, yeah, your thing's all sorts of fucked up.
Wait, what did I fuck up on?
These notes.
Well, I was gonna say, I already said
Ah!
it was down below.
Got him!
Down further, it's your do explosive bullets, and you can literally see it right now.
Oh my god. Oh,
That's still a
Bruh.
half circle on the fucking
Bruh.
right there. Oh, you have more. I think you have way more. But that was one of them at least.
Keep deleting it.
Mate,
Wait,
it's exposing...
Yeah, I know what it is. I'm on that zone.
I gotta learn.
You're closing the do explosive right, like literally 3 lines after.
Ignore me, guys. I'm just trying to not lose my place again.
Down. He's right there. It's right underneath level.
Down.
There's one underneath it, literally online. Yeah, that. You just passed it. No,
Super this time.
No.
You want to take out that other one. Just fucking rip that.
Oh.
But it's still, what else you have broken? Okay, click it. Where's it showing? Still right there. What the hell?
That needs to be there though.
Is equal to...
Because I'll show you.
Yeah, I know, but like I'm like looking to see, but I can't see anything.
You're indecisive. You can't decide. Come a little bit closer and touch my thigh.
See, a explosive runner.
We'll see how the fuck I test things I would literally just comment out that like the whole entire thing, comment out, don't take it out, and see if the syntax goes away, cause like to see what else you have syntax errors with.
You have a
Yeah,
syntax
so
error?
Great text.
With that line.
It's because the utilities are in here now.
Hang on. Let me go help this guy.
See, now it injects. It injects.
Oh. So the utilities file, you need to be careful on Black Ops 3. Who am I talking to?
This is World War II.
Okay,
I get a syntax from here, but why?
I don't know anything about World War II, so...
I'm loading FX.
Yeah, but would you really want to be calling it like that?
I know, Orbis, I am a noob. I died like 7 times, so I'm finally taking the time to make like a basic thing, just so I have a place to sleep.
Did I set it? I thought
Oh,
I
I
set
see how it is. You don't respond to my message when I call you gay.
Well,
Oh,
I am gay, so I'm offended.
Seems like a normal thing to do. Seems like a normal response.
You took up the FX, so when
Yeah,
it
we
wouldn't
know,
do
it's
anything.
true.
You took up the FX.
I'm kidding. I'm not gay. I'm not gay. Don't worry.
So it wouldn't do anything.
Sinful's gay though, so if you want to make fun of him, feel free.
You know what, Lee? I'm only gay for you. Is there a problem with that?
No, Orbis. It's
I
survival.
wonder if it's the function.
It's not the fun. He's
You
fucking
really
gay.
don't need to, like, you know, if you're loading the FX, you really don't need to call this script utility, just so you know. You just want to load the AA explosive.
Wait, what? Are you
Wait,
playing a
no.
mod?
Really?
right now?
Oh shit, and the game's gonna.
Am I what?
Yeah, because you didn't kill server.
Yikes.
Oh, and Steam has an update. That's nice. Another update.
Dude, Steam was out so long yesterday, it made me want to kill myself.
Hey, we can't say that on
I know
stream.
it's kind of code on a Tuesday. I feel like I got banned from Black Ops 3.
All right. So who wants to join my Minecraft server?
Me, even though I don't even have Minecraft.
Do you need a Minecraft account? I know you
have
have.
Java.
No, well, I have a Minecraft account, I just don't have Minecraft installed. So,
Yo, I'll take that Minecraft account off your hands.
well, I mean, I would say yes, but what happens if I want to play Minecraft again?
I guess you just
Nah.
left it on
Do you,
the
do you
and
need a
go to
Minecraft
it, I guess.
account? I can literally get you the Minecraft
I don't play
right
Java.
now.
I don't even play Java.
Oh,
Wait,
that's
don't
all
think
I
Minecraft
can get is
is
Java version of Minecraft.
Guys, I just did the most sinful thing you can ever do in Minecraft.
What?
You talking to yourself?
Actually, looks pretty nice.
Yeah,
If
but
not, then you really
but
didn't.
I did it even.
Wait, Leaf, I have a question. I've never tested it, but before I test it, I'm gonna ask you a couple. Can you link yourself to somebody? Well, I guess you could link yourself to somebody else.
Player link to theoretically yes, because you can link entities to it, so it should be able to.
Because I was thinking about those you know, functions that people used to have on GTA.
Could also continuously teleport this way.
Game update?
What?
I don't want to talk about it on stream, but you know.
It's my money, and I need it now.
Probably
not
not
that
even
commercial.
lower.
Guys, I kind of want to play Warzone. Do you guys watch it?
Yeah, I'll watch, man.
Yo, what the fuck is this squid doing down here, boy?
I mean,
What
I
you
really
doing?
stream to watch
Homie,
Minecraft.
homie.
It doesn't work.
Get back in. No, he died, guys.
It
If we're
doesn't
being
work.
honest, I haven't really watched your stream.
There's just such a big delay on the stream, though.
Yeah,
Literally.
that's because I have shitty Wi-Fi.
It's possible it doesn't work.
Hang on, maybe I can stream with the Twitch. I'll stream with the Twitch.
I mean, explosive bolts do work. You're probably, you don't have it right. That's the.
Oh, but I just realized I'm not gonna have voice chat with you
Wait.
guys.
Wait. That might be it. I'm loading a motor FX and there's no remote motor FX.
Wait, there's a motor in the game?
I mean, I don't know vector scales even in. You might need to make your own vector scale because I don't know if that's actually a function call in the game.
Did I put my own?
You did?
Wait, actually, do I?
You
I think it's called in the game because if it wasn't, I would get an error.
No.
Is there a way to set world spawn?
Well, if it was being used as a function, you would get an error, but it's not. It's just blue.
Yeah, so it's like the same thing with Ghost, man. I can literally type self with like SELF and it will still load me into the match. I don't know why the fuck it works on Ghost in World War II, but
Wait, you can do what?
well, I mean, like you can honestly misspell like 90% of your project on freaking Ghost.
And it probably still load.
Well, yeah, because misspells aren't gonna be as long as it's not a syntax error. It's always gonna do that because it's gonna assume you're using the correct variable. But if you click check the check syntax button, it'll show you that your variable hasn't been defined. So like,
But yeah, it's still it doesn't give you like a when you spawn in, it doesn't say it doesn't kick you. It just still lets you spawn in the game though.
right,
So
because that's what it's supposed to do.
forward too.
So watch, go to your compiler really quick, whoever's got it open, and just type in self t. No spaces, just self t, and then click inject. Or self t,
Yeah,
and then thread something.
That.
And let me know when you're done.
I'm done. Yes.
Alright, so now click check syntax
I'm
error.
joking. I don't have the compiler.
I don't want to fucking kill myself.
self-taught
People
access.
are saying that to me.
Yeah, it doesn't tell me that self t is undefined. It just tells me that parameter 5 and self dot access is undefined and my array is undefined. It doesn't tell me
Cross, you ruined it.
well, and something's a little broken here.
A little.
My soul.
We may need to tell Bog that syntax might be fucked on Ghost. Because it does tell me on other games by Ghost, so.
BS will tell me. Usually.
I mean, that's because, that's because Visual Studio Code has, when you use the the thing that, series gives you, it's, good, like, really good, but where this one Bog did all by himself, whereas that one, wasn't, so.
Should I just be able to like import like a BO3 vector scale and put it in?
You can use any vector. Here, just Google fucking BO2 UFO mode, and then look for the vector scale that's in the functions.
Like that. Back scale.
Yeah, that will work.
That's not the way you should do it, but if you don't know how to like call it, just do that.
You know, if I rage so fucking hard, I just throw my controller out the window.
Wait, Leaf, are you playing, what's it called? I haven't even, oh no, you still playing Minecraft? The hell, dude? I thought you were gonna play some Warzone.
Cause I gotta think, I can't do voice chat if I do Warzone.
Why?
Cause I'm not gonna be on Discord. I'm gonna be on Xbox.
Just
Holy
keep your
shit, he doesn't. He's such a smart coder, he doesn't have a fucking phone.
I have a phone. That's not the issue.
Well, he doesn't have a wireless mic there. Make that easy.
Or you could use your big brain and use, your computer and still talk from Discord.
How do I hear game volume?
Oh, holy fuck. We need game volume. You're good for the game.
I need game volume. That's how you hear people's footsteps when they sound like whales.
Make this making me realize how privileged I am.
Oh, wow.
I mean, like, I guess I could connect my AirPods and then, I don't know. No, that's not gonna work.
I have the luxury of splitting my input, so that way my wireless headset goes to my game and my Yeti goes to my Discord.
I was gonna say, the freaking headphones that I gave my brother, fucking, those things, you can fucking use 2 different ones on, but it's kind of fucked up how it works.
Oh, what the fuck? Where is?
Yeah,
Like, I can just make my default system input, like my headphones.
Or you guys
and
could
then
just
go
watch
to
me and
the
use text chat like normal people.
Make that input my Yeti, and then just make Discord take input from NVIDIA broadcast.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna stream Warzone, but I'm not gonna be able to have voice chat, so you guys just have to watch.
Just don't talk to people.
What?
Be antisocial. That's.
I've been doing that for years. Sinful's yelling at me for it lately.
watching you, you're not talking to
Fuck
me.
interaction.
What, Sinful?
Actually, no. Actually, I will watch you, so I can watch you die a bunch of times.
I'm not that bad.
Spawns in, dies.
I play solo duos.
Yeah, let me go watch him die real quick. Like pass every gulag, but yet actually just die every time.
I haven't played any like COD on console or even like other than this, like making these Well, I've been using quite some time now. Like
I need
used
to
play
do
physical,
this. You guys are gonna call me a bitch, but I'm
we
doing
would
it.
do, like, like game battles and crap, and we'd always win. But honestly, I just kind of don't give a fuck about Call of Duty anymore. It's kind of to that point.
I only ever made anything for PS3, and then I was just a user, not a developer, when I switched to Xbox. I was just using Teapot and
I haven't used
whatever
someone
makes
else's
sense
menu
to
in
do
like a
free
very long
weekends
time.
or free weekends. Or...
Teapot.
I mean, I use
Ninja.
I normally use XP on but
Oh, here we go.
I heard that was a good one too. The only thing was is that I was fortunate enough to get Teapot Lifetime, so it was free, you know.
I mean, well, yeah, and now Teapot is free forever. So,
Is
Teapot's
it?
free forever. Ain't that a bitch?
That's how you know the dev got a new job, making millions or something.
Probably, yeah. Teapot was literally just like Ninja 2.0, and I didn't
Why
feel
the
like
fuck I
searching
can't
for
find a
other shit.
match?
other than Oppo sucked ass, dude.
I like the Ninja Offos a lot better than Teapot.
XBOs is the
Cypher's
best.
Oppo slap fucking Ninja's Oppos quite a bit.
Wait, what?
Cypher? I don't know. I've never used it, but my friends, I was friends with the owner, so I mean, I've
I
never.
never actually heard of that one.
My friend made their cheat.
I mean, it's newer. It hasn't been around obviously as long as all these other ones.
The
but-
owners are retarded.
Right.
Teapot is completely free,
Yes.
like forever.
Yeah.
How do you know this?
Alright, I'll be right back. I'm gonna try to get this shit set up.
Right now, plus if you go to their thing, I think it even says on their freaking. I think yeah.
Aren't like Teapot like
On their
things still
website,
for-
it says all tokens discontinued until free mode ends.
Yeah, and free mode's forever now.
So basically, my Teapot doesn't work anymore.
Well,
Is what you're saying.
how it works, it's still just in free mode.
I'll
so
be back.
it doesn't matter. So,
Interesting. I mean, I haven't touched an RG or a console, let alone RGH, in quite some time. So
I mean, I get touched my number too long ago. That's because I was making that friggin'
I haven't touched myself in a while.
I touch
I feel
myself
like that sometimes.
every night to Leaf's profile pictures.
That's true.
I don't even know what Leaf's profile picture is, but
It's true. I saw it.
That's awesome, man.
oh, actually, yes, dude, that cat. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah,
Oh, I gotta change it. I haven't changed it in a while.
beastie, yeah.
One sexy ass cat.
Sex cat.
It would be so unfortunate if I was like forgot to mute in Teams and they've just been hearing me this entire time.
We couldn't connect to your Xbox One console. Please make sure it's powered on.
Wait, what? How does that make sense?
The console companion.
I was saying, if it's not on, how the fuck are you in the game?
Honestly, I kind of gave up on lobby settings. Now I'm just gonna work on fucking new message menu because I feel like doing that.
Oh, I got all the lobby settings. I just used the D-bars.
World War II is so dead in multiplayer, I can't even find the lobby.
Alright, is that streaming it? Is it like,
Every once in a while. Every like 4 years.
is it streaming Warzone
I wonder
now?
if I can get keybinds to work.
Ow! I was fucking hit my hand off my computer.
Oh yeah, I
Get a
was
directional pad and something turns on or off.
I was talking to freaking before me and CF4 got into a fight over it, but he was telling me that releasing World War II unlock all is like releasing the BO4 unlock all. It's the exact same thing, and I said no, it's not, because like I was like BO4 is still a live game, and you can find lobbies 24/7 in that game, and but World War II is dead, and you know so most people are gonna buy the menu for unlock all. Honestly, at the end of the day, they really are. He's like, no, they're gonna buy it to go play online and have fun. And I said, you can't play online. Like, literally, you can't even find a lobby.
Are you guys able to see Warzone right now or no?
Find a lobby for what? World War II? You can still find lobbies on World War II.
I find it like maybe once in a blue moon.
I was
And lobbies every
That's
day.
not hard.
Well,
Yeah.
then maybe my.
I mean, granted, there may be only like 3 to 5 lobbies for it, but like, and you can only play team deathmatch, but
I mean,
still lobbies.
shipment. You can play shipment. I mean, that's where I find all.
I mean, yeah, there's some in the shipment, yeah, but like you can still find lobbies. They're just not for. There's usually just for 1 or 2 game modes.
Yeah, which really fucking sucks.
Alright, so can you guys see
But
Warzone now?
how's BO4 right now? Is BO4 like still like actually popular?
Yeah. Oh yes, Battle Royale. Wait, what the fuck is Iron Trail 84?
Okay, so it's the new duos mode. It's basically like 2v2. Except I'm gonna be playing it solo.
Yeah, so I can watch you die.
Console?
Yes, alright.
You have no Elgato? What the hell?
Your stream, wait, move up and down? Because I think it's like. I think it killed itself, yeah.
No, it didn't.
Are you streaming from Xbox?
Yeah, I was gonna say, I literally can't see anything. It's just, it just says, it's not moving.
I'm gonna
It's
see
kind of
it.
frozen, yeah. I'm not sure if you're using a capture card or whatever.
No, I was just waiting for the game to load.
Okay. Well,
Okay, let me see if I can adjust my output.
is this no Elgato or Roxio or whatever?
No, this is the Xbox streaming app.
Oh, okay. Okay, I know what you're doing now.
It's so that I can still get game audio.
You can get game audio if you have a proper Elgato.
Yeah, I don't have one still. Oh shit, it did freeze, but
Like a jungle gym of wires, but it still works.
There. okay. Can you guys like see it properly now?
Oh yeah.
It's loading. Yeah, it's loading. Yeah, you're good.
That's for playing Remedy.
Is it like in the right spot?
Yeah, it's. I mean, you wouldn't notice if you wouldn't have told me it may not
Is
be.
it like in the right spot?
basically.
Okay, the stream's not too far back. I mean, it's a few seconds, but
Well, yeah. Well, what can you do if you're using Streamlabs? You know, it's a lot quicker than my stream can be. Mine is a full 20 seconds behind.
all right, boys. We gonna cop some dubs today.
Check your gear and weapons.
Oh, just so you guys know, I'm playing solo duos.
What?
I'm playing solo duos.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you to die. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm kind of. I say kind of, but
Am I just gonna be in training the entire day?
Wait, is my gameplay too loud? Do I need to turn it down?
Battle
I've
Royale.
had you muted sometimes.
Alright,
Hold on.
soldier. Mark a drop point for your team. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Yo, the latency is actually like almost nothing. From the Xbox to my OBS, like the latency is nothing. It's just the upload.
I think the only latency you're gonna see is the Xbox to your PC.
No, but that's not even that bad.
I don't even hear the game sound. At least I'm not hearing it. Granted, I do have a Teams call in the background, so I may not be able to hear it very well.
yes, you can. Yeah, I just haven't muted.
Okay.
Clear to engage all targets.
It's just really quiet.
Yeah,
Like he has like this the Discord volume higher than the.
yeah, I have
Honestly, you should just keep it like that. You know, voice over sound. You're not really gonna be talking to people anyway, so.
Nice car.
I'm gonna plug in a control.
I kind of feel like playing Warzone now, thankfully.
Playing
You check corners like you just did a line of coke. Are you okay?
Honestly, I'd be like, Leaf, I'll play with you, but I haven't played in like, probably months, so I'd probably die like 4 seconds in.
I keep forgetting I'm playing duos.
Even I'm not even allowed to think about this game.
Well, you're allowed to play it. You just can't, mod it.
Wait, what? Why? What? What did you do?
Alright, quiet.
Say that on screen.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, let's not say it on stream. I'll tell you later.
Come on, you just wanna.
Ah, fucking. Wait, where was that guy?
Who's asking?
Dynamic.
You knew it.
Okay, yeah, I think I can trust you to say not say it that way.
If you survive, you earn your freedom.
Fucking couldn't hear his footsteps because there was like 2 other guys. Okay, think I can reach this guy?
Don't
what?
Dynamic, don't say that out loud.
But for what?
While you wait, feel
Let's
free to
explain later.
make a proper jeering. And if you find something to throw,
It has
feel
nothing to
free
do with
give us that
optics.
as well. Time for a bit of Archie Buzz.
Optic scump. Hang on, guys.
Win here and you
It was
return to the front
ASMR.
line.
It was like,
Lose your fight is over.
Shit.
Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
You better win if you are. That's fucking easy.
Ah, goddammit. I was. Okay, I should go play solos.
The enemy took that one, but we'll be back to finish the job.
Seeing some things saying that the R31 and the flatline don't have a fire rate when they're in single
I'm
fire.
gonna
So
have to
people are binding their scroll wheel to their attack button. I want to try and get to the bottom of that right now. If it's now, if I were to switch to single fire, it's pretty fucking
God damn.
fast.
Who the fuck is like, watching something?
Dynamic, fucking watching YouTubers.
They're watching a TikTok. What?
Nothing.
I'll stop. I'll be moving.
You have TikTok on your phone.
Yeah.
You willingly install the keylogger.
Yep.
China.
I'm not logged in. Don't worry.
I mean, it's still on your phone. All it has to be is on your phone.
China.
China did it.
Wait, how much rounds does the XM4 normally have?
Mm-hmm. I haven't played that game longer than you've probably, been alive. I'm just kidding. Wait, how old are you?
22.
He doesn't even know his own age? Damn.
I forgot, bro. That's not even a joke.
That sucks.
Alright, boys.
And this stream doing numbers.
Yeah, I got 3 people. That's the most that I've ever had watching. Too bad they're all on this call.
Big boy numbers right there.
Why the fuck can I not use a controller? Gotta restart the fucking shit again.
YouTube.com/NightwalkerLux. Make sure it's 8,000 people watching. Hear my name.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep throwing it.
Do they still have like normal multiplayer classes and then Warzone classes separate?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or did they? Okay.
It'll always be that.
I haven't been able to touch this game for a while, so I wouldn't know.
The MP5 got buffed.
There's an MP5 now. What the fuck?
fucking spawn.
Grab some target practice while you can. We're deploying soon.
Oh my fucking god.
Enemy dropping into the
Why
AR.
can I use my controller on World War II? I usually
Playtime
can.
over, mate. You're going to the war zone.
That should have hit.
Battle Royale. Avoid the gas. Get to the safe zone.
Enhanced 911. Are we really doing this? Tell me, please tell me this is not real.
It's 100% real.
Dude, I am at my meeting right now. I am witnessing the most scummiest shit I have ever seen.
What?
Yikes.
Okay, so with Comcast, right? We offer like a home phone service, right? And since it is our home phone, let's say like we have the capability to like when you call 911 from your home line, that it just sends the emergency services your address basically, so you don't have to really worry about that. Like let's say like fucking 5-year-old Timmy, you know, some grandma just like fell down the stairs. He doesn't know the address. It sends the address to the authorities basically, and you call them.
What's wrong with that?
Apparently, this feature is called E911 or Emergency 911. You have to pay an extra $10 a month for the home phone service to have that functionality.
Oh, that's fucked.
Dude, what am I looking at, dude? Please tell me this is not real. Please tell me they're not actually doing this. Why is that not something default?
Welcome to big corporations.
Welcome to money.
Hang on, I have to. Hang on. Let me unmute real quick.
Come on, me.
God damn it.
Hey, Eddie, I do also have a question. Unrelated. The E911, you know, the stuff that allows, you know, just you call from the home phone and it sends the address to the authorities. That's not something they have to pay for, or is that just like something default? Oh, okay, so it's just a selling point basically that, you know, it's cool to go over.
Looking through the window, I swear.
You may not even use an or memorize an address at all.
Whoa! Whoa! No, sir.
Yeah.
Did you see that ADS time?
Losing ground.
Why is my third person not working?
Okay. No, I appreciate you. Okay. It's not something you have to pay for. It's a default thing. I'm not sure why I thought you had to pay for it. That would have been scummy as shit.
Are you having an orgasm right now? That's fucking gay.
Yeah.
Me?
All you hear is, fuck, I forgot to mute my mic.
No, I make weird noises when I'm focusing on shit.
I don't. That was kind of fucking. That was a little more than weird. That was.
Like you were
Okay, it was some. No, I was not getting off. You can stop
I
that.
feel like one of your heads were focusing on something.
Yeah. The other one was focused on something else.
No.
Are you tapping?
I'm not capping.
Okay. Take the bottle off the cap.
I'm taking the bottle off the cap. This is the cappery of the no cap.
Quiet really quick.
Gotcha.
1 sec.
He's taking his hat off.
Contact!
I gotta put my head away.
Target mark! Send it!
I gotta take my head off the cap.
This is loader 2-0. Good copy.
Gotta take my head off the counter.
Did you after this conversation was happening because you don't want to admit that you were getting off?
No, I was not getting off. If I had a camera, I'd turn my camera on, but I was not getting off. Wait, we're talking about this in fucking... when someone's streaming, like...
Leafy doesn't care, that's probably content to him.
Like a golden zone.
Oh,
Fuck me, come on. Yes, okay.
Let's see.
Leafy making focus down.
What the fuck?
I need a loadout. Fuck.
Leafy really has the odds against him right now, dude.
Let me watch this car. 10 out of 10 a sniper up there. 10 out of 10.
I don't know, I feel like they would be running away. Like you should be right now since the smoke is coming. You're about to get fucked.
Fuck my vape.
Come on, 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 come on.
I blew myself up with a retard.
9, 8, 40,
Shit.
All the there's numbers.
We dying, boys.
What do they mean?
enemy UAV
What does the number mean?
There's like numbers in the gas now. That's, yo, please tell me that like.
40.
It is canon.
Is it really?
No, it's part of the game.
Oh, I'm sorry, let me rephrase that because that sounded stupid. Like, is it canon with like Black Ops, the first Black Ops? Like the fucking
Yes.
numbers, Mason. Oh yes. Now, all right, I'm the one getting off now. I needed closure with that shit. That needs to be sequel.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Numbers. What do they mean?
Oh my fucking god.
We were in Cuba.
Quiet, 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 quiet. 1 sec.
Enemy UAV overhead. Vendor here if you need equipment. Request recon
Really
flyover.
makes fucking sense.
UAV entering the AO. Enemy
Really
UAV
fucking
overhead.
nuts.
Where the fuck did he go?
Wow.
Be advised, UAV is bingo fuel. RTB for resupply.
Wall banging everybody. This is why PC sucks ass. Really? The guy disappeared. Really makes sense.
Guys, you think I'm gonna get a dub? Probably not, but
Gas is closing in.
I gotta buy another UAV. Fuck.
so the grenade doesn't kill him, but it fucking hits him in the balls. What the fuck is this about?
That's why I kind of like Cold War better. Because, like, Modern Warfare, you could fucking swallow it and then go off and be fine. Cold War, you could be, like, around the corner.
14, 22, 5, 18, 18, 7, 11, 14, 2, 12,
Wow, that makes
Oh, you
no
know
fucking
what?
sense.
Real shit.
0.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know. I was trying to figure out what it is, but
Lee,
yeah.
if you get this dub, I will
That's what it
send.
looks for.
I will send you $50 when I get paid. So that's in like a day or two.
Y'all heard it here, boys.
You shouldn't have done that, dude. This guy is already checking corners like he sniffed Atlanta Coke.
Enemy UAV
What the
overhead.
fuck is it not let me? God damn.
Like, every time he enters a building, he literally looks like a mouse that, like, is trying to
Why
find his
did
long
you?
lost
Oh my fucking.
keys. That window hate me so much.
Mad would Leaf have been if he would have died to that because somebody came up and killed him.
Yeah. Oh, that would funny as shit.
Oh no, now he's sniping. Oh shit.
Yo, you want to make it even spicier? If he loses, he owes me $50.
I don't have money for that.
No.
I have one of those things I gotta feed.
Leaf, if you want to get this money right, want to use some more shield. Your armor.
Oh, gee,
you only have
thanks.
one.
What the fuck?
Don't know how I didn't notice that.
You still haven't even put it on yet. Come on, buddy.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Nah, the stream's back a little bit.
I'm nice. See, I'm a good friggin' friend.
I was in the Warzone game.
Leaf, have you ever won a solo?
I think once or twice. I haven't played Warzone until like 2 weeks ago, so.
Good solo. This gives me better chance. Oof.
He just wants to know his chances of losing money.
Well, I mean, I've given Leaf and Extinct. Well, not Leaf as much as I've given Extinct, but I've given Leaf quite a bit of money now from base. That's why I've decided just to learn how to do them myself.
Thank God the default menu was free.
Well, I mean,
Nah, he likes
base
bases certain
is
designs.
so it's just honestly like having like your own base like that you made yourself makes you feel better. Like I mean like the base that I'm using now wasn't made by just only the text and like you know like the open menu and the scrolling was there when I started on it. So
basically
that's
just a
how I
base.
feel.
Yeah, I agree. It's creating your own base allows you to do a lot more shit, like, you know, just more functionality with the menu, like,
You know what?
fucking
This
with the
game
menu
is
itself.
bullshit.
Yo, you
Yeah,
telling me?
the sliders, the string sliders, you know, the menu resizing and all that by myself.
Oh, yeah.
so-
Oh yeah, you can do that. That's fucking great.
I'll have to do that myself.
Watch that, guys. I didn't know you could do that. I just jumped up the side of the fucking building.
Oh, I'm just seeing it now.
I would have kept that sniper if I was you.
Nah.
You should probably game it to Discord so that way our commentary isn't like 10 seconds behind.
Yeah, but I'm streaming it to YouTube too, in case there's anyone on YouTube watching. I mean, it is just us three right now, but.
That's not gonna handle anything you throw at it.
Honestly, I noticed the only time that Leaf gets views when he's streaming is when it says, because I've been in his streams when he's
Hey, quiet really quick.
coding, and I've seen like, you know, like 15, 16 people in there, but then when, like, now, like, when he's playing Warzone, it's like, nobody wants to come and watch.
That'd be like pretty.
Poor Leaf.
Like, I don't actually have a particular demographic myself, so like usually I only get views if I'm like abusing admin on Minecraft servers or whatever. Because apparently I guess that's my demographic now.
We've almost lost.
If I do a dev stream on Icebreaker, then it's just fucking crickets.
Quiet really quick. I got someone right next to me.
Why the fuck is my mouse not working? Okay, whatever.
No one noticed that.
Well, you can go get that guy's stuff. He's like, fuck, dude. That's the one. Unless he's using his bait.
Wait, Death RGH released the PS4 injector?
Didn't release it. It was just, for friends.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Fuck, come on, come on, come on, come on. Go for it! Fuck you!
Wait, is there any way? Hold on. Is there any like converting that has to be done or no? Could he just for like menus and shit?
It would work almost the same way, because, I mean, they were using Subversion. So, same way.
Yeah,
Oh,
Subversion
don't
is
even
literally
oh,
just
fuck, I'm screwed here. Like,
Yeah,
you spent his whole life and there's only 20
Time to earn your freedom, soldier.
Quit, son.
This is like
Damn it!
this year's
No 50 bucks for me.
holy fuck.
Less than 25
I'm
and still
fucking
standing.
I could have swore Subversion is literally just Catalyst but gray.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
The whole base.
Other than Subversion was actually extinct, and then he gave the base to, Sirius, so.
That's why Exploration went, but I don't think anyone heard.
Banned.
Dang, Leaf feels bad, well.
The fuck?
Wait, he got disconnected from the server, that's even worse!
Oh wait, that's cool.
That's sad, I'm sorry, Leaf, you got fucked there. Hey, I will give you one more game if you, oh, he's going to Modern Warfare, oh god.
What?
I haven't played this game
Was
in
it
so long.
terrible or did you just get banned?
Why would he get banned?
I got disconnected from the server.
I don't know, he's... With my luck, that would probably have been me getting banned.
I could pull a dub in Fortnite in one match.
Why are you going Cold War?
Why am I what?
That's probably automatic.
Cold War.
Why am I downloading Cold War?
Yeah.
Cause I want to level up the guns for Warzone. I gotta level up some guns in there.
I don't know.
I should really be doing like free for all right now or TDM to get M13 kills.
Wait, so
What?
even if you have crossplay off, if they're using the controller, you can just join Xbox only.
What?
These
You
people
have
are on PC, but they have a
one
controller.
that he subscribes to you or no?
Hang on, what? Sinful? One question at a time. I'm really far behind you guys.
Do you have it like, you know, when somebody subscribes to you, it shows up?
No. I don't even. I don't have this stuff on there.
Unsubscribe.
Sleepy cookie.
Too bad.
Kid, 1v1 me. I'll scrape your nutsack.
Damn, I'm subscribing back.
Alright, so guys, the next gun I need to get gold. Me and my cousin actually raced to get our guns gold, so right now we're working on the Bison. So we're trying to get the gun gold before each other.
Oh. Do you want to unlock tool?
I'm on Xbox.
Yeah, I can do that for you.
What do you mean unlocked? Do you have one?
I have an unlocked tool for Modern Warfare.
But do you get banned for it?
No.
Yes. Eventually
No.
you
You
will.
would, you wouldn't.
I
You wouldn't.
It's not immediate, but eventually yes. It does catch up to you. It puts a half-life on your account.
I've had no issues. I don't know.
All right,
I
so
mean,
so hang on though, but
probably
does that include if you're cheating though?
it'll be like months down the line.
Is that only if you're cheating though too?
Yeah, like obviously, like if you're cheating too, then yeah.
I feel like that's probably why you'd get banned. It's probably
I
for the
mean,
cheating.
obviously, yeah.
Are the stats legit?
No, like people have just been like not cheating. Like people like usually who have gotten like their shit modded, like just their camos, but like they just
And
regular
streamers
people
are getting their shit
usually,
modded
like,
now.
You know what? You know
yeah,
what? Fuck it.
months down the line.
How do we do it?
Yeah, but those streamers usually get like new accounts and shit eventually.
Yeah, I will just make a new account then. So how do I do it? What do you need me?
So we're on PC, right?
No, I'm on Xbox, but I can sign into PC, I think.
Okay. Buy this. If you want to do it, you have to buy it, but you can do like you can transfer over to your Warzone on console.
Okay, send it to me and I'll look at it later.
It's called Golden Gun.
Yeah, how much is it? A friend of mine made one for fucking Vanguard already, but
It's $25 a month, I think, for the regular version. But if you just want to do it like once, I think it's like $10 for like 3 days.
Well, that's not so bad. $10 for 3. That's not so bad.
nah.
And you can like camo swap, so you can put like Dark Aether on fucking Modern Warfare guns.
I don't know. That seems kind of gay.
Yo,
Or DM Ultra
yo,
on
I
Modern
need
Warfare
this,
guns,
bruh.
like that.
Well, honestly, for being honest, the frigging camos for like both games are crap.
Okay, right here. It's $15 for 3 days.
That's not so bad.
So 25 for a month. So I get unlock all the people for the rest of the month and make money.
Or it's $50 for a month.
Oh, never mind.
Fuck $50. Fuck that shit.
It's the VIP, so you get silent aim, you get 360 silent aim, the unlock all, camo swapper, P silent, auto wall. So it's basically probably like really
But do you get head?
What?
Do you get head?
You do get head. You do get lots of head.
Trophies is
Lots of head. Chicks dig cheaters. Trust me.
Can confirm.
Can confirm too.
chicks on Modern Warfare are fucking crazy, dude.
Yeah, yo, these kids play like they're on crack. I'm telling you. Let me tell you.
No, like just girls
they'll
in
do
general. Like
anything.
literally, I was in like a search and destroy lobby, and like I didn't even say anything to them. Someone else did. And they're like, "Bruh, are you guys girls?" And like there was like a pair of girls, right? And one of them was like immediately responded, "Yeah, I'm 12. You wanna fuck?" And I was like, "Whoa, what the fuck?"
Yeah, there's a lot of those weird fucking, like, what the fuck? I'm like, okay, yep, never mind.
I felt like if I didn't leave immediately, I was gonna get arrested. I felt so dirty.
I'm friends with like
Being in
13 girls on
custody.
Xbox, I think. And Warzone, I think. They only play with 2 of them though. The rest are all like really. This one girl added me and my cousin on Snapchat, and we talked to her for like 4 minutes, and she sent us both nudes, and I'm like, huh,
Bro, what the fuck?
okay, that's cool. And then she showed us a picture of her like spreading her butt, so we blocked her because that was gross.
Yeah, that's fucking
Was this chocolate?
No, but it was just not. It was not like I didn't need to see that, bro. Like I just didn't need that.
I didn't ask for that. Didn't need it.
No, all I said was hey.
Have the bomb.
And then there's Katie and Maddie, who I've been friends with for like a year. We got their butt pics for free. Friends on butt pics are better than non-friends on. Let me tell you, let me tell you.
Are they skinny skinny?
They slim thick.
Oh, not my type.
No, by that I mean like skinny, but a fat trunk.
I like a little meat. Not too
If I
much,
can't
but like
use it as a tool,
I just realized I'm talking about this live, and my wife was my YouTube channel, and my ex that's my YouTube channel. So this will be interesting.
Planting Alpha.
Don't think they'll watch it though, so it's fine.
Our bomb is set.
Hey, this guy's C sharp. Oh yes, Rev. All right, you know what? I'm gonna play free for all on quickscope because this is just I want to play, and you guys probably are getting tired of just watching me stare at someone's fucking screen. So
Oh, you're back. Okay, let's go to my car. Go off my car. Cigarette? I really need a cigarette. I don't need a cigarette. Yeah, you do. I have nothing.
hey,
You have a cigarette.
guys, look.
That's bullshit. You have a cigarette.
I have any cigarettes.
You have a cigarette.
Sample look really quick.
Quit assuming shit. It ain't true.
Oh, that's hot.
bruh.
That's definitely weed. That has to be weed.
According to Candy.
Fuck that guy.
Yeah, love how he said I'm fat because my fucking car door reflected as if I was fat. I'm like, nigga, I weigh 150 pounds. Like, the fuck?
I was 180, I think.
Damn, you both,
What?
or not both, but like somehow someone that weighs less than me.
Let
I'm
me-
170.
I'm actually like 165 or 167, something like that. But I'm 5'11", so and half that weight is at my waist. No one got the joke. Fuck all of you. What? I kinda actually don't mind streaming. Like, is it great? No. Is it bad? No. Am I bad? A little bit. Will the match ever start? Ooh, it's gonna start, boys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go for a chopper gunner this game.
Wait, what?
I'm gonna go for a chopper gunner using a sniper.
Alright,
Interesting.
you got it. I believe in you, nerd.
Suck my ass.
Leaf the nerd.
Stuff a gerbil in my ass through a
Oh
tube.
yeah, again, I freaking imported Orbeez base for him though. Like,
Orbeez! I
it's
did.
kind of broken though, I think.
Candy's the one that you made for him?
Well, it was yeah. Well, he didn't make it for him because that's the one that he was using for his MW3 campaign, I think.
Here's a button.
But
Oh, my audio is behind. No! I had to, guys. I had ran out of ammo.
Oh, the meeting is over. But, where's that?
Ah, fuck you. Did you guys see that thorn knife kill?
yeah, I mean, you just got fucking flapped on.
Yeah.
Wait, you're in first?
Yeah.
Imagine
Bruh.
being-
Wow, kid, your dick's
That's
small.
skill-based matchmaking for you.
Wait, hold up, is this a 1v1?
Who would 1v1 on this map?
I don't know, I just see that, there's only 2 players. I thought 1 and 2.
I too made this assessment.
Ooh, Leap, you're a good sniper, go on.
I saw that shit. Holy shit.
I feel like Leap a crap on you. Man, really.
Yeah, dude, like I'm telling you, he's snorts a line of coke and then checks the corners.
Ah, fuck.
Since obviously all folks can hear us.
Man, I'm gonna switch the stream to my Discord.